Hello everyone, welcome to Chipper and Sons Lumber Co. What is this? Scott, what is this? So funny, what is this? A new game. Listen to me. Sounds like Freddy from FNAF 1. Yeah, it shows that it's a different thing. And it's carrying something. I really don't know. Okay. Oh, God. Well, little Taiki. I think it says Taiki. The day has come. Is it my birthday? No. Not the beginning of summer or your coming of age, but throwing you out on your furry ear. What the heck is he on about? Who is Chipper and who is Tai? Or Taiki, or whatever his name is. By the time, I was your age, I was out building dams, cutting trees, and blowing up termite mounds. That isn't nice to termites. Sorry, whoever you are, you're not very nice. Okay, now what? The war with the termites has scared us all. Bane Main? What is that? What is that? Word. Tell me what it is. Decease, whatever it is. Death. Well, you could have just said death, and that might have been a bit more. Oh, it says diseases. Don't know what the first word says, though. Okay, yeah. None of those things have happened, but still sounds pretty awful, doesn't it? It's happened, hasn't it? What are you not telling me, dude? What are you not telling me? It might happen. Oh, God, can I please skip this? Yeah, bunch of words, yeah, I don't really need to know. What's of cabin, blah, blah, blah. More words, off you go, thank you. I don't really know what the heck you are on about, but, why is the task a walkie-talkie? Okay, why don't you try finding a tree and chopping it down? There we go. I'm cutting this one up. Collect some of the wood. Collect the wood. Now what do I do? After you gather a bit more, bring it back to... Should I just chop all these trees down? Let's just chop them all down. No, what are you? Go away. Thank you for the red wood. But was something... Is there something on the water tower? No, there isn't. Good. Let's see. What the heck was that? Okay, where are we? Okay, there we go. Okay. Okay, what do you want? Click! Welcome back. Oh, God. Oh, God. Just take the common words. Common words? Wait, job. You're right there! Why don't you try planting a tree? Oh, God. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do that. So... Hey! Stay away from my wood. I got a bird. I got some mossy wood. Okay. Click. Come on. It's gonna take forever to go though. Let's water some of it. Let's go ahead and water it. Okay, there we go. It's watering. Okay. Oh, God. Wait, what does he want me to do exactly? All the wood. All the wood. Wait, what exactly am I supposed to be doing? What am I waiting on this, may I ask? What the heck are you things? Wait, what am I supposed to be doing again? Hold on. Oh, as a task. Enough more spoon. You want me? Go on it. Okay. Now I have to see what I can find. Good to know. Wait. Am I supposed to do something? What am I supposed to be doing? Whoever you are. Ah! Okay. Who the heck are you guys? One day I'm going to... Okay. I got beach stuff. What the heck are you? I'm gonna just go now. Oh, wait. That was easy to build that. Hello there. Wait, why are you up there? Oh god. What is this? What is going on? Well, boom. Skip. Need to find sticks is what he said, probably. Yeah, I played Final Fantasy 1 and 2. So if you're wondering, why do you know all the characters from that game? I played the game. That looks like Toy Chica. It actually does. I know, let's plant some trees. Pay respect to the chicken. Whatever she is, I don't know. 64. Okay, 17. Okay, 74. 80. Well, it doesn't really matter. It's a tree, who cares? Whoa! Hello! So I said, Phil, okay, let's go back up. Have I completed the task? I thought I have. What did I just collect? Gosh. The outside world is a dangerous place. Does that guy not know? Sorry, I'm not lying. I should... What the heck was that? What the heck is... Whoa, at least we got to know. Welcome. Hi. Yeah, I have some wood. Take the wood. Hey, leave my tree alone. Leave it alone. God, some of these guys are so rude. What are we supposed to be doing? Excuse me, we kind of explored everywhere. Oh wait, is there another place that I haven't explored yet? It is a mini game. I'll come back to that later if I have a chance, but possibly no. Get out of here! I really should be checking on my trees. How many wood sticks do you need to do? What the heck? What is this? Huh? Toy Chica just ate me. Wait, Chica? Hey, put me down. Hey! Okay, I saw Chica and someone else. What was his name? Okay, we haven't been here yet. I forgot about this. Hey, so we got some more stuff to... Okay. It says to keep out, so I'm just gonna go. I'm just gonna go. Bye, Mr. Ant thing, whatever you are. I'm just moving. Wait, what are you? Okay, sure, I'll play a mini game. What's in this hole though, except for whales? What do you want? Seaweed, things. What do they want? I'm gonna go. Just keep going up and down here until they tell me what they want. What did I do? Okay, that was a little weird. No mini games. Oh, mini game. Who the heck are you? Do you remember that? Yeah, okay. Start. I failed. God, you made a fun of chippers, haven't you? I hope that you didn't, because this is adorable. Same time, very annoying. Go. Go. I'm not even gonna play the mini game anymore. What? Okay, down here again. Wait, you thought you had a mini game? Oh my gosh. Ah! I forgot that there was nothing there. But I just gotta go. You know what? I just gotta go. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. I'm trying my best with the camera. Oh god. Okay, hello. Wait. Oh, mini game. Wait, how is the whales down the sewers? I have no idea. Mini game. Yay! Don't let the jellyfish pass. I won't. Okay, let's go. How did I know that was gonna happen? No, jellyfish. One thing I hate is jellyfish. Go away, go away. How much health does this thing have? Wait a minute. I haven't played FNAF World yet, but I've seen people play it. No! No, I died. Okay, let me try again. Oh my god, would you stop making them go down? How long until I kill you? Is it dead? Okay, it's dead. Good. Okay now. Wait, what? Doing it. Oh yeah, I got a seed. What is it? Huh? There's so many weird things here. Sorry about that. Okay, well, I'm just gonna go over and head back to my treat department. I'm really scared about falling off that tree again. Well, I'm just gonna go collect some more wood. There is no more wood. What happened to the music? Gonna be so it hasn't gone. Cold. How many sticks do I need? Plants. That's not it. How many sticks do I have? How many do I need? Dude. Seriously, what is this? Okay, don't tell me how many 6 I've got. And apparently I can get beaver points. This is a little confusing. I'm gonna try and figure this out and see you next time, because I have no idea what I'm supposed to be doing. Bye? For now.